This is why you should never fight a cop. On August 27, 2022, officers from the Superior Police Department in Wisconsin would respond to a 911 call from a strip club. As the story goes, a male and female couple attempted to enter the club. However, the 19-year-old girlfriend was barred from entry as the club now served alcoholic beverages. The club allegedly told her she could only enter as a worker and offered an application. The girlfriend applied and the club allowed her in as a dancer. Supposedly, after she made a decent amount of tips, her boyfriend decided it was time to go. He allegedly scooped up all of her tips and physically escorted her out of the club. This action triggered the emergency call, and it wouldn't take long for police to find the couple walking nearby.
Hey, what's going on? Okay, ma'am, you want to come over here and talk to me?
Everything I fucking made tonight is ripped up.
Okay, come here. Come here. What's going on?
Everything I made at the strip club is ripped up and gone.
Okay, what's going on?
Can you please be nice?
Okay. I'll talk to him. Just look at me.
He was upset because I was stripping. And everything I made, he ripped up.
Okay. Who's he to you?
That's my boyfriend. Am I going to get arrested for stripping?
No, there's nothing illegal as long as you're doing it in an establishment that's licensed, which they are. Exactly. What's your name?
No.
Look at me, ma'am. Look at me. Don't look at him.
Oh, he's going to get arrested. No. Can you just tell him to calm down?
Dude, I'm okay.
Step the back.
Please do not push me.
Step the out of that back.
Do not swear at me. You're an officer of the law. Please do not swear at me.
Care. All right, tell me what happened.
Nothing happened.
Did you strike her?
I did not strike her.
Okay. You have an ID?
I do. Would you like to see my ID?
No. Is that hers?
That's hers. I was carrying it for her tonight.
All right.
Here's my ID. You can look at it. You did not have permission to go in my pocket. You did not ask to go in my pocket. You did not ask to go in my pocket. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now, dude. You're gonna tased.
No.
3, 2,
No, that's not.
on your stomach now.
He wasn't supposed to.
On your stomach now.
No, he's going to turn.
Relax.
No, he punched him in the face,
Stop.
and you know
Yeah,
that
I
was
sure
right.
did, because he cocked back on me.
Stop.
No, what does he have? A fucking gun?
Stop.
Am I going to be able to?
Stop. Just relax. Just
You
relax.
know that was illegal. You fucking assaulted
Stop.
my boyfriend.
Stop.
He didn't.
No, it's not illegal. That's police brutality,
It's
sir.
not police brutality.
That is police brutality.
Okay, I'm sorry you feel that way.
You straight up punched me in the face.
Yep, because you swung back like...
He didn't fucking swing at you. He put
Stop.
his hands up. I'm
Stop.
sorry. I don't want to get arrested.
Stop.
Here, we have one in custody.
Stay right there. You good?
I am okay.
He has my backpack and my purse. Am I able to get that?
Yeah, just hang on.
Yep, that's hers. Can you please give that to me? I don't feel like you had the need to punch me in the face, though.
If you cock back on me and you look like you're about to punch me in the face,
Yes.
I'm going to defend myself.
Oh.
You're not going to get an upper
Okay,
hand on
but you're an officer of the law. You have.
I have every right to defend myself. Just because I wear a badge and I'm a police
Right,
officer
but just
does not
because-
mean that you get to have the first swing.
They fucking gun, Jason.
Stop.
Sorry.
Wayne, do you understand that?
Jason.
Do you understand that?
Right, but just because I'm
So
a,
I will punch you in the face if I think you're about to attack me.
will you let me speak?
No, I won't.
But just because I'm a brown person,
It has nothing to do with who you are.
It does have something.
It doesn't. It doesn't. Are you brown? You're done, bro. You're done.
Watch it.
He's trying to headbutt me in the head.
Don't cut the bag. Just take it off.
Shut up.
Just take it off. It's
Shut
not.
up.
It's not my bag. It's not my bag.
Yasmina, stop.
Bag is hers.
Stop. You got a search on this side?
No.
I have 2 grams of cocaine in my butthole,
Okay, outstanding.
and I have 3 grams of marijuana in my stomach.
Okay.
Oh, there's not.
Good. You fucking piece of
He just tried biting me. I got another squad over here. This guy's trying to bite us and spit on us, and we just need another one here. Stop, dude.
Don't punch me.
Stop.
It's illegal.
It's not. It's a pressure point. Stop.
Punching me in my throat is a pressure point?
It's not. It's underneath your chin. Stop.
He just punched me in the throat.
Stop, dude. You're gonna get tased.
Tase me then. I have a seizure disorder. You're gonna tase me?
Get back. Just go stand over there.
Grabbing my money.
Just go. It's all ruined. Just go stand over there.
No.
Swear to God, sir.
Get back.
I'm just watching.
You gotta sit here.
Get back.
Yeah, hey, get her back now.
No, this is legal.
No, you can step back. I'm not comfortable with you that close.
Why?
Get them, babe. Get them.
I'm not the one doing anything wrong.
Babe, help me.
I can't. You
Please, baby, help
nothing
me.
I can do. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you did f up today.
You're on your own.
You really did.
I'm sorry. Get those up.
Now you're going to jail for multiple felonies. So that sucks.
Felonies.
What felony? You assaulted him.
Assault on a police
You
officer.
started it. You punched him in the f***ing face.
I did.
And
Because
you
he
just
swung
caused
back.
his seizures.
Because he swung back on me.
I was
feel like you swung
protecting
back.
myself. Because you punched me, I was protecting myself.
Just go.
Okay.
Right? I have the right to protect myself, don't
Yeah,
I?
that is in the rule book of the laws.
Got him?
So
Because you
punched
punched
him first.
I have the right to protect myself. Nope.
Yeah.
All right.
I was protecting myself from you.
You
Ow.
left your cop car locked, dumbass.
Shut your mouth.
Shut your f***ing mouth. Don't talk to her like that. Don't talk to my f***ing woman like
Stand by,
that.
stand by. There's a knife back there.
Ow!
Hey, Watson, you want to pull through on the other side?
We get an ID on her?
I have information. I just haven't been able to run her yet.
Ow!
There you go. Pull.
What do I do about my money getting cut up?
Don't worry about it. I don't know. See ya.
I've seen like a strip club before. Just cut out, don't worry about it. But you don't bill it too.
I've never been to the strip clubs here. Yeah.
Really? I've seen it every time.
Ow! Ow!
Stop.
It hurts!
Relax.
It hurts!
We're trying to fix it. Stop. You're gonna get another charge.
It hurts!
Hey, Dolbeck, relax. Dolbeck, stop. Relax.
We're done with her. You need to leave, otherwise you're going to get arrested.
No, because this is legal. I'm allowed to stay close.
You
to
are
what's going on.
interjecting into our scene right
What am I
now.
doing? For
You're getting too close. I told you that multiple times. So just stop. It's very easy.
You're built easy. Did you know that?
I don't know what that means.
That means any can f*** you.
Cool.
It hurts!
Stop. You're gonna get another charge.
It hurts!
Roll him on his side.
No! Ow!
On his side.
It fucking hurts!
Stop.
Ah! God damn it!
Sit him up. Sit him up.
Ah!
Battery, disorderly conduct.
Somebody grab the house.
His charge? Yeah.
You don't need to hobble me, just shut the fucking door! Hey!
That's another charge.
Get him down. Shut that door now. Shut the door.
First, you started it.
No, he just headbutted one of my officers, ma'am.
He's the one who punched me.
He's better
face.
two
Like,
officers.
he started it.
Okay. You need to leave now. If you don't have a criminal complaint, you need to
I have a
leave.
criminal complaint.
Against
You
what?
assaulted my boyfriend.
Okay, have a good night.
Blood on you.
Yep.
Blood on you.
It's fine.
Is that yours? With a big rag.
Can you let the jail know that he's very uncooperative? They're going to need quite a few people.
On the way to the jail, the suspect continues lashing out, and according to police reports, he continually bashes his own face into the window that separates the front and back seats.
You pieces of shit, I told you to shut the fucking doors! Roll my window down,
On the party for the class of 1980.
This has a lacerations for it from slamming against the window here.
While the suspect is on the way to jail, some officers stay behind to question his girlfriend.
So what happened?
So we tried getting into the strip club, and I'm not 21. And she was like, well, the only way you can get in if you're a dancer. And I'm like, I'll dance tonight. And my boyfriend's like, if you dance tonight, I'm breaking up with you. I was like, okay. I started dancing. Maybe 20, 25 minutes later, He runs up on stage. He's just snatching my money up. He's cussing me out, talking about I need to get off the stage. And the owner was like, "That's not your money. You need to give it back." That's when I was like, "Okay, I gotta go. I need to calm him down because he gets angry as." As we're walking away, I was like, "Can I just see my money so I can at least see how much I made tonight?" He was like, "No, this is whore money." I was like, "What? Whore money?" I wasn't naked. And then he starts ripping up my money, and that's what happened.
Is there any charges you want to press against him?
No.
Okay.
I'm literally homeless, so
Okay.
I mean, like, I get it. Homeless people be having weapons. Trust me, I know. I work with homeless people, so they be a little crazy.
Okay.
But that's my only backpack I have, and I'm fucked now.
Are you afraid of him? No. You don't think he's going to hurt you or your children?
Huh?
Or your children if you have children?
Oh God, no, I ain't got no
Okay.
children.
Do you have any questions for us at the moment?
Yeah. Who's paying for my backpack?
Well, if you want to make a complaint about the backpack being damaged,
No,
you
but I
can
want
contact
to
your
make a complaint
supervisor.
about the officer who punched me in the face. I'll do that.
Okay. That's all up to you if you want to contact your supervisor. You have the right to do that.
And it assures a summer full of delicious meals coming off that grill.
What is your name, man? Okay, I'm trying to help you out. I'm not asking you a question. I'm looking to see if you're going to be cooperative with jail staff. What'd you say?
I refuse to answer any questions, and I refuse to be cooperative with jail staff.
All right, man. He's telling us that he's going to fight with you guys.
Okay.
And he's already headbutted us, he's punched us, he's kicked us, he's bit us, so he goes like this. So then I just backed up and I right across the jaw, and then there was a fight on.
We don't know his name. Austin, just keep your gun on you for now in case something.
How's it going? We're gonna get you out of the squad car here.
Officers place a spit hood over the suspect's head as he had bit and spit at officers during the arrest. They may also be doing this to prevent the suspect's blood from getting everywhere.
Can you walk? I'm gonna get out of here.
Can we check what's going on?
Yeah,
He's got a good pulse. Pulse is about 75.
He was just talking right before I got out of the car. Give medical response.
right above the right eyebrow is
report, please.
Michael, could you grab shackles?
Are you injured or?
I think it's from when I was getting shot by the BBs, actually.
Oh, okay.
But it ripped
Oh,
when I was
real.
fighting with
Okay.
him.
What's your name? You don't know it?
Why was I arrested?
I don't know, to be honest with you.
We're going to get you seen by medical, okay?
I want to go home. Where am I?
You're at the jail. Do you take any drugs or anything?
You know if you did today? Okay. I'm gonna guess that's why you got so much blood. It's from the alcohol. It thins out your blood and bleed a little bit more.
Oh, he looks familiar.
Yeah.
He's not the one I'm thinking of.
Hey, Sergeant Jago with the police department. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up.
Another officer then calls the local hospital to inform them about the suspect's unruly behavior, sparing no detail. Upon hearing this information, the hospital shares that they refuse to take the patient in, as he risks the safety of their staff. In the meantime, medics from the fire department look at the suspect first. Soon after, an ambulance arrives.
Just a heads up with this gentleman, he's cooperative now. I don't know if that's false or if he's now going to remain cooperative. I did call ahead to give Superior ER a heads up, and they obviously were like, we don't want him here. But yeah, I tried to give him a courtesy heads up, and they were not having it. So why don't you take a look? Maybe he doesn't need to go. I don't know.
At this point, the officers were able to successfully determine the suspect's identity.
He has seizures and was threatening to do this before.
Seizures from what?
Pseudo.
Pseudo?
Yep.
I don't do any pseudo. I don't do anything with pseudo.
Do you need stitches?
It looks like a couple.
Seem to be that intoxicated, or what's
I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if it's all charade or it's probably the most violent I've ever seen toward officers for sure.
You gotta make sure there's nothing going on with your skull or your brain, okay? Honestly, I prefer not to transport someone with their hands behind their back just because it could cut off circulation or do damage.
Okay.
That way you won't be laying on it. We're gonna make it so you don't lay on it.
Pushing on me! Stop it!
I'm wondering if we should sedate him.
If you think that's necessary, then absolutely do it.
If he's willing to cooperate, we can put him in soft restraints and have it above and to the side.
That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen to me.
We'll get you on a stretcher. We just don't want you to fight. We don't want you to hurt yourself, okay? We don't have a way to stop that.
We're not leaving until you can't take it off.
It's not really an option, my friend. He's not going to cooperate. So I'm going to call the receiving hospital and find out if they're good with us using sedation here. Because if he's going to fight, I don't want him to hurt himself or anyone else. Okay.
I don't even know what the deal is. This one deserved, but the county just said that he was just here lodged the other week for the same thing.
Really?
What the officer just shared is true. According to court documents, the suspect was involved in a previous incident that happened roughly 5 weeks before the filming of this video. The suspect was arrested and charged for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest at that time. He was sentenced for resisting and spent 30 days in jail. He had been out of jail for just 1 week before he got into the altercation captured in this video.
I can't do it anymore. The handcuffs are fine. No, they aren't. They aren't. I can't do this anymore.
I got one.
Right here.
Almost got me. Yeah, I did. I saw it. I came over here.
He's going to be able to get out of this. We have that extra strap. I think we can add. You guys just want to follow us to the ambulance? Ow! Ow!
You're fine. Stop.
The handcuffs are cutting me.
You probably would have had better luck if you started cooperating, Jason.
More!
Here, step out, for a minute.
Can't do this anymore. I got the handcuffs. I got here. These handcuffs, that's all I'm asking. That's all I'm asking is to loosen the handcuffs just a little bit.
Just stop.
Just a little bit to loosen the
Can we
handcuffs.
talk? Can we man-to-man talk?
Yes.
We have a 5-minute ride to St. Mary's and those cuffs come off.
Okay,
and then you go into soft restraints. You can make it 5
I
minutes.
cannot. It needs some morphine and some gabapentin.
Oh, that's what he wants.
Is it going to break if I cuff this to that?
No.
I cannot do it.
Hey. We're getting you your meds.
I can't do it no more. I can't.
I'm going to give you medicine in your shoulder. Okay?
No. I'm not getting. I don't give you consent to do that. I don't give you consent. 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 I do not give you consent to do that.
You're hurting yourself.
I do not give you consent to do that. I do not give you consent to do that.
Okay.
I do not. I did not give you consent to do that.
I know. I'm sorry.
You're sorry? You're sorry because you're going to lose your job. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Alba.
Alva what?
That's all you got to know.
What's your last name?
You don't get to know that? You
Yeah,
can
because you don't want.
through Mayo Clinic, please do.
Because you don't want to lose your job. What's your last name?
No one knows my last
What's your last name, bitch?
Hopefully that's done.
Let's not start with that, guy.
What's your last name?
I'm not going to go there. She does. I didn't want to say it because, you know, I didn't know, but yep. We're not going to do morphine.
Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine.
There we go. Thank you, sir.
Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine.
Jason, do you have any known medical issues?
Give me some morphine.
I was genuinely worried he was going to hurt himself.
The suspect gave in for the rest of the trip, from the hospital to the jailhouse, likely with the help of his sedation. For this incident, the suspect was charged with 1 count of battery on a law enforcement officer, 2 counts of attempted battery of a law enforcement officer, and 1 count of resisting an officer. For his sentencing, 1 count of attempted battery and resisting was dismissed, but read in, meaning he would not face a punishment, but those crimes would remain on his record. For battery of a law enforcement officer and 1 count of attempted battery, he was sentenced to 60 days of jail and 30 months of probation each. His sentence runs concurrently, meaning he will serve all sentences at the same time. However, based off clues played out by court documents, on April 13, 2022, with just 1 day left of his 60-day jail sentence, he was charged for another incident for battery as a prisoner. Court documents suggest this crime was against an officer at the jail. For that incident, on August 28, 2023, his previous 30-month sentence of probation was revoked, and he would instead spend 1 year in county jail, with 164 days of credit. If he follows the rules, he should be out of jail at this point, at least by the middle of March of 2024.
The bank won't even do anything about these bills?
Any currency that's damaged, you bring them into the bank, we'll replace it for you.
Yeah, can you finish cutting this? Do you have a knife?
You could, like, try and attach these back together.
You know if you had any like Daddy's ghetto and dingy. I'm not doing that. Do you want me to just cut right here? Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.